Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to block adult site on your Android phone. You can follow this complete guide easily set up. Let's get started. First, take your phone, open settings, then scroll down to the page, find the connection option, click to open it. After that, at the very bottom you can see more connection settings. Simply click to open the page. Here located the private DNS option, tap on it. You can basically see three different options. You can select private DNS provider hostname, then erase the previous dns.com, then retype the new DNS family.adgat-dns.com. Once everything is successfully typed, tap on save. After it done, go back to your home screen, open the app door, then open the Chrome browser app your phone. After that, tap on the three dots more button top right corner. Here, go to settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down slowly, open the privacy and security page. Then scroll again. This time you can find the use secure DNS option, tap on it, then select choose another provider. After that, tap on the custom arrow icon. Here you can see various options, but you can select clean browsing family filter and you are done. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. Thanks for watching.